Animals spend a lot of time finding a food that will make them healthy. We're the only species that creates food that'll kill us.
And I learned about the work of Dr. Arpad Pustai. That is where light bulbs were popping off in my brain, making that connection between what was happening from the new introduction of genetic modification and later their associated pesticides, and what was happening in our children's guts.
Glyphosate is destroying the healthy microbes in the soil. It's destroying the healthy microbes on the plants, and it's destroying the healthy microbes in our gut.
Any psychiatric symptom that you can think of, from bipolar, schizophrenia, anxiety, depression, ADD, is a reflection in some degree of inflammation in the brain. And you have the same thing in the gut. They're very connected.
The specific type of inflammation that is caused by this movement of toxins during consumption of food has now been shown to be the primary driver of diabetes, heart disease, obesity, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, autoimmunity, cancers, the list goes on and on.
As I would remove anything that's causing inflammation, of course, removing GMOs first, but then looking at starting to repair the gut. And I start with foods that are rich in collagen.
And it's a journey to start changing the way we eat. It takes some work and it takes effort. But when parents have sick children, they are committed.
There's so many theories of aging, but the most widely accepted and modified version of the original free radical theory of aging is the mitochondrial theory of aging.
The enzymes are literally the whole running of a human cell system. 90% of that is done by the microbiome. That's why we've been sold so short on our healing potential, is because we were missing 90% of the workforce when it came to normal human cell maintenance and repair.
Billions of years, when those first single-cell organisms created life as we know it on Earth, they are still living in us and on us. And so they are the keys to helping us be healthy.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Smith, founder of the Institute for Responsible Technology. For the last 22 years, I've been educating people in 45 countries about the health dangers of genetically engineered foods and the Roundup herbicide that's sprayed on most GMOs. And around the world, I get asked two questions more than any other. One, how do I avoid GMOs? And two, what more can I do to help my body repair from the years of eating GMOs and also the Roundup being sprayed on them? This series, Healing from GMOs and Roundup, focuses on the second question. Yes, do avoid GMOs, switch to organic. But what more you can do? Listen to 18 experts describe their clinical experience, their research. They have discovered specific protocols, products, herbs, spices, diets that have helped countless people recover their health and protect against the constant onslaught of GMOs and even Roundup in the environment. These experts are at the cutting edge. They're pioneers in their field, and they're actually crafting new paradigms. It turns out they're identifying the real cause of problems. What we thought was causing the disease wasn't necessarily causing the disease, and what's the solution turns out to be something that we had maybe had never thought of before. But these guys have thought of it and have applied it in their practice or seen it in the lab, and it's amazing. Please join me to watch these 18 experts give us information that is absolutely life-changing.